Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to day 3121 of What You Up To Now. Today we're talking about celebration in our Supersize challenges, Supersize Your Business annual challenge and the Supersize You annual challenge, and how it ties to the spiritual aspect of us, both in our personal lives and in our businesses. Because whether we believe it or not, there is a spiritual, something outside of us, bigger than us, component to our businesses, just like there is to our lives. Talked about big me, big you, little you this week for a couple of days now, or I guess it would have been last week into this week. So today our topic was celebration. How do you celebrate? How do you acknowledge things that are going well? Why do you want to do that? Because you want to create more of them. If we pay attention to what we pay attention to, multiplies in our life. So if we pay attention to the negative, ouch, we're getting all kinds more negative, bad things to feel bad about. If we pay attention to the things that are positive and working in our life and in our businesses, and we acknowledge and celebrate and appreciate those things, guess what? We get more of those in our experiences as well. I didn't make this up. It's universal law. It's the way the world works. If you don't believe me, step back for a couple of minutes today and pay attention to and look at how things have gone in your life, how things are going in your business. Are you in a slump? We all go through ebbs and flows, right, in our business. But the faster we can get out of those slumps and into positive, action-oriented things that will move our business in the direction we want it to go, or our life in the direction we want it to go, the faster we get into more things to celebrate. And there's lots of different ways to celebrate, right? Whatever makes you feel good, lighter, and joyful is a way to celebrate. So I actually have a list of 100 things on my refrigerator that are things that make me feel good. So if I ever notice and catch myself feeling a little tired or in a slump or something, I have a list of 100 things. I can automatically look at that list. I don't need to really look at it anymore, but I know it's there. And so I can just see it in my mind. I just pick something and I take action toward that immediately. A lot of times I just step out the front door and I let the sun shine on my face, or I sit out in the sun for 5 minutes with the sun shining on me and just recharge my batteries. A lot of times that's all it takes. You have to figure out what works for you and have a bunch of those in your toolbox so that when you catch yourself in a negative situation, you know exactly how to get out of it. Because first we get out of it by thinking and feeling. Then we stack on more positive thoughts and feelings, and that's how we get and improve anything. So what am I working on today? Got a workshop in my school community today. First one we've done with a guest. So I'm excited about that. I'm going to knock wood and say it's going to all go swimmingly. Don't have it all 100% planned out, and I don't need to, because all I'm doing is facilitating and attending. We have an amazing guest speaker that's talking to us about backing yourself up and the upside of procrastination, which I'm super excited about because I've been invited to another community summit to do a presentation on procrastination. Why? Well, because I got a whole lot of experience in that, right? As a human being. Most of us have the ability to procrastinate down pat, and it appears different for each and every one of us. So I'm excited about that training today. We also have got business as usual, meaning all the things that are already in progress to take care of and do today, as well as some other things, some onboarding and some other things that I'm a part of. If I can help you in any way, unless it's during the workshop, you're going to have to wait 3 hours because I will be busy and tied up with that. So you might have a little longer wait if you have a question, but just go ahead and ask. Sometimes I'm able to check and I get notifications and can answer if it's an emergency. Otherwise, go out, make it an amazing day. Think of something that you're celebrating today. Share it in the comments below, or just share a win in the comments below that we can all celebrate with you. Make it an amazing day. And if you need anything, ask. Otherwise, have a good day, and I will, of course, see you tomorrow.